Alright, so from at a meal, remote controller keeps randomly disconnecting. Acts like it's connected, but it isn't really. See, this is on Xbox. So let's first always try to replace the batteries. I always want to make sure we're not having some type of premature power issue. You may have to test this out a little bit. Sometimes you can tell right away if it was just a battery issue. Sometimes, if you've not replaced your battery in a really long time, something I've seen that happens at times is effectively, it's like a matter of the number of buttons being pressed. Or sometimes it seems like something is knocking these off. So I'll always start there. Listen, if it persists, you can try and hard reset stuff. Sometimes that helps out. A lot of times with the Bluetooth controller, power it off, hold it for 10 seconds. That's going to be one of the easiest ways to reset that. And then repair that controller if at all possible. Sometimes that's a little bit of leg work overall, but we're really trying to just see if we can refresh basically everything the Bluetooth has in its memory there. Next thing I would do under the settings in your Xbox, you should find a spot where you can upgrade the firmware on the remote control. This is, it's been a minute since I actually looked at it. Been quite a minute now, but basically go through if there's any types of updates on there. That's a lot of times something that might be making it fall off. Let's see. Another thing I like to suggest always, if at all possible, not every console likes this, but a lot of times if you end up in a boat like this where you're just having issue after issue, a lot of times you can just go in and hardwire the actual control. I always suggest going into the settings and make sure that you have effectively set it up to where it's reading only from hardwire, not from Bluetooth, because a lot of times you're just going to get a lot of crisscross applesauce on that. That's not a lot of fun. But realistically, one of those should actually help you out pretty well. Worst comes to worst, you can always just replace the controller, but we like to try and save every device that we can.